What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. With me, that's my 35 here, and today in this video, to land in the Boeing 777 out of Mexico. So yeah, it's pretty hard, but once you know what to do, you get the hang of it. As you can see, here it is, a Boeing 777 out of Mexico. I'm landing at Tijuana. So yeah, so when you're landing, you're supposed to be 870 in the Boeing 777 because of the if you want, I could just do wait, how do you do live videos? Do that. Let's go. I was watching. If you guys don't know Jake Lowbox, I was watching him on Minecraft. I was watching him, and he was doing a live stream. I don't know how to do that, so I just asked him in the live chat, so how you could do that. But he didn't reply back. All he did was hi guys. Oh no, something like that. And some other people give me a shout out. Stuff there. As you can see, GPS 27mm TJ. Oh, I consider that bad. Or it's a guy with his name TJ. It's like, your name is TJ. Where are you from? Tijuana? This guy's in North Marijuana. Oh, shoot. As you can see, I'm at 70, right? Okay, so as you guys know, you guys should already know, as to my past videos, that once at 20, I should be a pre-flare. Actually, 30. And then 20 should be idle. 2 dots right there, the 2 white rectangles. Okay, pre-flare, 20, idle. Okay, reverse thrust, keep the nose up. Okay, now nose go down. Nose down. Okay, once that, you just keep it in the center line. When you reach 60, it should just be brakes off. That should be for all aircraft. Brakes on. You start taxiing, right? Okay, guys, there it is. That's how you land in a Boeing 777. Well, if you decide, this is how I land. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. As you can see, black wheels as first, as always. There we go, touch the black wheels, and then you bring down the first black wheels. And then there goes the nose. Okay, so I should replay from like this. Okay, so you can see that, like, the first two wheels come back. Nose should always be up, and then you line up. Keep it aligned with running. Alright, so I just taxied off, right? It's right here. And right here is just take a spoiler right away. And if I taxi onto the grass, I'm really sorry about that. To a complete stop without touching the grass. Now I'm gonna show you how to take off in a Boeing 777. Okay, now you got taxi. It's actually hard to taxi in a Boeing 777. I can't. Like, you have to put like on brakes and stuff like that. Okay, bye. I'm just gonna show you how to take off as I said before, and I'll be doing. I think after that I'm going to hang to K-Nook, guys. I'm going too fast. I'm only going to. I actually don't need load. I need the ground speed. Cause I already have altitude on the left side. And guys, as I always said, it shows the altitude. If you want the correct altitude, 505. Over here, you're supposed to choose altitude AGL for the right altitude and correct altitude for that see if you put different altitude, what the like altitude MSL, it says 505. That's the one that we have right now. Do AGL. Oh, what the? Let me just line up with the okay. I'm going a little bit over the taxi limit, but yeah, guys, I'm not alive. And you see flaps for 5 now for taxiing, and then trim, I'll put it up to 10. Oh, what the? 20, no. 13, brake on. Alright, got an outside. One more time, easier to do it. I don't like both. Okay, just now clear for takeoff. The alignment. Whoa. Okay, first I look over here. And off, I fix it up. I see I'm a little bit off. I'm totally off. So just fix it up, line up with the correct, lining up with the center line. Okay, give it a little bit more space, and it should be good right there. Okay, guys, now that I'm aligned with the center line, I'm actually gonna press take off so I can be a little bit more aligned better. Okay, guys, I'm aligned better. I'm just gonna start taking off. So flap should be at 15%. Okay, guys, and now full throttle. When you're playing light shows, you're supposed to do throttle 85 so you don't get like a violation and stuff like that. Because I get tired of those violations as always. But if not, your speed's at your disgrace at your once where it's not alive. So at 160, you should be V1 rotate. So there it is. Gear up. Laps 5. Something I like about the Boeing 777 is that the gears take long for retracting. Okay, guys, this is how to land in the Boeing 777, and I think I should be doing more like, oh shoot. Okay, just pull up. Oh shoot! I'm going pretty low. Okay, I'm on Boeing 777. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys later.